no?
No.
Weren't you proud? I thought they were lovely photos.
Is it...
Pakialamero talaga ako.
I don't know, like, photos of my girlfriend in a bikini and everyone's going crazy about it, so...
You weren't comfortable.
No, I'm okay. It's just...
Do you believe him? Was it okay with him?
I guess so. Hindi naman namin pinag-awayan.
Hindi.
No, he's okay with it.
But you had an endorsement campaign. Ang sexy mo rin. Di ba? I mean...
If anything, Tito Boy, I guess he'd be happy for me. Because I've been struggling with my figure a few months back. I gained a bit of weight.
Alam mo na din, wala pang On the Wings of Love, I've already said this. You were one of the sexiest, and you know, from the bottom of my heart, you heard me say that. I really found it in the very beginning. Kayo ba bukas ang mga telepono sa isa't isa?
Yeah.
Ah, talaga? Wow. That's really, no, it's impressive. Oh, I wouldn't. Talaga? You can read the messages vice versa?
Yeah, Tito Boy, but we don't. Kasi parang...
That's a good thing about
We
it.
use each other's phones, but I never open
Yeah.
messages.
Wow. That's trust.
That's trust, Tito Boy.
Di ba?
Kasi before I had a hard time trusting. So parang ngayon, I learned how to trust.
Yeah.
Like, ng buo. And it's so much easier.
Ganun.